Hi there, Dane from Gold Coast Plumbing Company here. We're out and about today and we're reviewing some water filters. Why do we need water filtration when our water is so good from the tap already? Well, you've got to understand that the water's come from our catchments, through pipes, through pumps, and then it's been treated by our local authorities. There's also other things in the water supply as well. Heavy metals like lead, mercury, just to name a few. Like you, no doubt, I drink from the tap every day. And over a lifetime, we're going to be exposed to these heavy metals quite a bit, so it makes good sense to filter your water before drinking it. We're at Filter System Australia's showroom today to showcase some of the products that we install. This unit here is a great little twin stage filter that mounts under the kitchen bench and simply needs a tap being brought up beside the kitchen sink. Fill your kettle, fill your glass of water, it's nice and easy. There's another great option that we've got here as well. This is a filter that just mounts under the kitchen sink and connects directly to your existing tap. It's 4 times faster than other filters on the market, and it's got a great, simple, easy to change filter cartridge as well. There's also other units available for your home as well. These units here are reverse osmosis units. I used to live out in the bush and had one of these. For about 10 years, I got to drink the sweetest water that you could imagine. They're pretty popular too and used in microbreweries and also in places that manufacture cosmetics. But you can have one in your home. They're a wonderful little unit. There's a whole range of different filters that are available, so it's best to do a little bit of research and talk to a professional. There's some great tapware available that can be installed to suit your water filter as well. And installing a water filter is pretty easy. You can do it with some basic tools. If you need a hand, just reach out to us. We're available to help you as well. Why do we need water filtering? Filter Systems Australia shop today. Places like microbreweries and other sorts of places I can't think of. We were halfway down the right track. Okay, Sean, this is the take. There's also these other units here, reverse osmosis units. Big words, don't quite understand it. I can't say that.